Hi guys, so this is a new job. It's going to be a 2-story extension and it's just going to be going here, starts there to that end and it comes out 6 meters, so that tree's going to have to go about there. So we need to get all this up and then flags as well. So I'll just show you a plan. So this is it, and then it's going to be 6 meters by 5,960, so just about 6 meters by 6 meters nearly. So it's going to be a 2-story high, and the roof's going to go all the way back onto the flat roof as well. That 4 trees had to go, it's in the way. I'm going to start here, get a couple of these flags up, dig a test hole in that corner somewhere, have a look at these foundations because I don't want another job where I'm digging 2 meters deep. Right, let's crack on. I've got it dug now. We'd buy the old foundation. I'm just going to have a look to see how deep it is. So that's the original foundation and we're a bit below that. So we should be pretty good at this this depth. What is it? 900. So yeah, good depth. Should pass. So that's it for this one, guys. Just a little video, just showing you what job we're up to now, and we'll get another video out to you next week. So if you like this and you're not subscribed already, and you think this will be something you'll like to watch, just make sure you subscribe. Cheers, guys. I'll see you in the next one.